President Uhuru Kenyatta expire, with the country expecting a new set of guidelines tomorrow. 4 months since the coronavirus struck, the infection curve is far from flattening. Now, the Ministry of Health is warning that the country is likely to report more infections and deaths. Brian Otieno starts our broadcast tonight with that report.
Between the week of 17th to 23rd of May, we were reporting about 52 cases on average per day. 24th to 30th May, 99 cases per day. 31st to 6th June, 102 cases a day. And this last week, 28th of June to 4th of July, we had 261 cases.
The reality of a steep curve that threatens the hopes of many for eased guidelines in the next phase of the containment measures that have been the normal over the past 4 months. It is this reality that saw President Uhuru Kenyatta extend the period of the measures last month. Since then, the cases have been rising, with the country now reporting more than 300 daily cases.
Of the 428 samples tested, 309 were positive. The total caseload in the country is now 7,886.
In the last 4 months, Kenyans have had to adjust to a curfew imposed to curtail the spread of the virus by limiting social gatherings prevalent at night. Residents of Nairobi, Mombasa and Mandera have also had to cope with the partial lockdown. The rising number of infections and fatalities may see these measures further extended. Today, the country's death toll hit 160 after one more person lost the battle to the virus.
We are also glad to inform you that 51 patients have been discharged from the various hospitals where they were receiving care, bringing the total number of recoveries to 2,287.
Continentally, South Africa, the worst-hit African nation in terms of infections, has recorded more than 180,000 cases and more than 3,000 deaths. The United States of America still leads on the global front, with cases topping 2.9 million and more than 130,000 deaths. Worldwide, more than 11.4 million people have contracted the virus that has killed over 534,000 people. Brian Otieno, KTN News.
Now, going by the global